Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. And in this video, I will tell you and show you how you can delete your Facebook Messenger messages in one go. Please subscribe to our channel, put your likes and write your comments after watching the video. Let's get started. So you and I are going to open up the Facebook Messenger app, and I'm going to show you how you can delete some posts here. For example, if you only want to delete one dialogue, then you'll need to tap on it and hold it down. Until you have a window like this at the bottom. And at the bottom, you just select delete and confirm your action. And another option how you can do that is to swipe the conversation to the left side. Delete that way literally in a second. And you can also slowly swipe. As long as you have the more section appear in it, you tap on it. And here too you can choose to delete. You can delete correspondences this way too. But if you have a lot of them, and you want to delete absolutely all dialogues at once, then, unfortunately, there is no such universal method or button that will allow you to delete everything at once. I suggest you a slightly different method. You click on the three bars at the top, then you click on the gear to go to Settings. Next, you flick down to the bottom, and this is where you find Report Problem. Then again report anyway, and then you click on Enable. And after that, in the line that you have at the top, you can report your problem. For example, you can write, "Hello, I would like you to delete all of my correspondence. Alternatively, please delete all my dialogues for me." Well, whatever you feel comfortable with, that's how you can say it. Then, after you write something, you'll have the word Send at the top. And you click on it in order for the support team to send your request. It's usually processed within 24 hours, so after that time you can go to Facebook Messenger and see if you still have any messages left or not. This is how you can delete all your Facebook Messenger messages in one go. I hope you found this video helpful and useful. Please visit our channel, be sure to give us your likes and comments, and see you soon, friends.